What's up gardeners, welcome to Cross Gardening. I've been doing a permaculture design course for the last few weeks now and it's going to go for another 3 months and I'm learning a lot of different things. And in permaculture there's 12 different principles that guides how you should be looking after nature and how you should be providing for human needs. And one of those is produce no waste. And this is one of the principles that I personally struggle the most with. How can I start having a lifestyle that produces no waste? So I'm starting to learn a little bit more, but today I'm going to show you a trick on how you can use those milk bottles that you get from the supermarket here in Australia and turn them into pots so that they don't end up in your landfill or in your recycling bin, but they can actually help you grow more food for your family. All right, let's go. So all you're gonna need for this is a Sharpie, permanent marker, and you're also gonna need a Stanley knife as well, and of course your milk bottle. And you're gonna use the Sharpie to be able to actually draw the path that we're gonna cut with the knife afterwards. You can also use some scissors if you would like to. Now, you could go and cut the bottle just in half directly here if you would like to, and you can use that as a pot. But here I'm not going to do that, and I'll explain you why afterwards. So here just draw the shape here. Very simple, doesn't have to be perfect. Once again, then I'm just going to use my knife and cut through it. So really just be careful, use the knife away from your body so that you don't have any risk of cutting yourself. There we go. And then I go across. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry too much about it. Be careful with your fingers. You may notice as well as you cut through it some really bad smell from the milk coming out, but that's okay because our next step is actually going to be washing it all out. Now we're just gonna do some holes at the bottom for the drainage as well, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up the end of some metal and just put it in there. It's just gonna melt through, it's gonna be nice, and you're not gonna end up with, you know, some weird sharp kind of holes down here. It's really gonna be perfect. For the drainage hole, all you need is gonna be some matches. I'm gonna use also a screwdriver. This is what I'm gonna use. You can use any other kind of piece of metal. You do want it to be not too small, not too big. Just hit up your metal, whatever you chose. Don't you go and try and touch this with your bare hands. And then just press it in one of those corners here. And you should just go through. There we go. And do the 4 corners the same way. To be able to fill that pot, I'm gonna add some potting mix, some premium potting mix that I got in here right now, and I'm gonna add some perlite to that. Now when you go and put the perlite in there, make sure that you don't actually have your face in front of it and smell all the particles that's gonna come out of it, right? You don't want to smell that, you don't want to have that into your lungs. This contains microorganisms and have some health hazard. So I'm gonna do that right on my face. There we go. And then I'm just gonna mix it all up. Again, do not go and put your nose in front of it. It's better if you got a mask. I don't have enough in there. I'm gonna add some more. There we go. See all that dust coming out? Do not smell this. There we go, I'll show you what it looks like now.
So there you go, this is my mix. You don't want too much perlite, and you don't want not enough either. That perlite is going to help retain the moisture inside your potting mix for your plants to grow really nicely. So now I'm ready to go and get the bottle and fill it up. And now you see, remember I said do not cut the bottle halfway through. I'm going to show you why, and this is what I'm going to show you why. As I fill that up and it gets ready for me to use and plant in it, see this handle? Very easy for me to pick it up, you see? Very simple. Now I can easily just pick it up and put it wherever I need it to go. Alright, let's plant in it now.
Now you may be wondering, what am I going to do with the rest of the bottle that we initially cut off? Well, you can turn that into little labels for you to be able to label what you're going to be planting inside your pot afterwards. And to do that, it's really simple. You just want to cut through just like that. It may seem a little bit hard to cut, that's okay. Get some really sharp scissors, not like me. Here we go. Get it across. Now get your Sharpie and just write down what you're going to be planting. And I'm going to be planting some garlic chives. So all I'm going to write down here are garlic. Write it on the outside and not the inside. The inside may be a little bit wet, right? Garlic chives. There we go. And now you can go and put that in here, just like that. Now you got a label. You can cut out a lot more label out of this as well, so you can put it around your garden and you can plant it and you're ready to go. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the last few minutes that we spent together, and this is how you can turn this milk bottle that you would probably throw away in your landfill or your recycling bin and turn that into a pot that you can use to grow your food for the future. So there you go. If you like this video, just hit that like button, and if you'd like to support our channel or see more videos like this in the future, just hit that subscribe button as well, and don't forget that bell button so you can get the notification as well. And like I like to say all the time on my videos lately, it's never been a better time to be a gardener. So come and join the community and help us create a world where we are more connected to our mother nature.